We've got a $2.2 trillion gap, and I need your help to close it. This represents the appalling disparities I witness in science education, predominantly affecting Blacks, Latino, and historically marginalized students. This gap threatens our economy, global competitiveness, and capacity for future problem solving. I strongly believe there are Einsteins and Johnsons and Parks and Tubmans among us. And since 2003, my initiative has been uncovering such talents. Take Joel, who progressed from a curious 12-year-old to a scholarship student in healthcare, exemplifying the potential of our youth. We must act urgently, or we risk leaving an entire generation of students behind. Investing in our youth secures not only their bright future, but our existence. The gap won't close itself. Will you help me close this gap? I am Dr. Nadine James, and my motto is, you can discover your genius at any age, from anyone, at any time, under any circumstances. Thank you very much.